Hello everyone. I hope you are sound and safe at your places. In this video, we are going to discuss the questions of exercise 3.7. So our question number 4 is, determine the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. Exactly divisible means that is the multiple of these numbers, or we can say that comes in the table of these numbers. So what we have to find? We have to find the LCM. So let's find out the LCM of 6, 8 and 12. First of all, let's take 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. Again by 2, 3 is not divisible. So as it is, then 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now again by 2 we can do. 3 is not there, so as it is. 2 1s are 2, 3 as it is. Now by 3. 3 1s are 3, 1 as it is, 3 1s are 3. So LCM is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So the smallest common multiple is 24. But what we need the smallest 3-digit number. So all the other multiples will be the multiple of this first one. So 24 is the first multiple. We'll multiply it by 2. That will give 48. 24 3s are 72. 24 4s are 96. 24 5s are 120. So the smallest 3-digit number we need, and this is the smallest 3-digit number. So this way we will find out the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. Now let's move to the next question. So what we have in question number 5? Question number 5 is, determine the greatest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. So likewise the same question, as it is divisible by these, so it will be the multiple of these 3 given numbers. So again we have to find the LCM. So let's find out the LCM of 8, 10 and 12. They are divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. Again by 2, 2 2s are 4, 5 is not there, so as it is, 2 3s are 6. Now by 2, 2 1s are 2, these 2 are not in the table of 2, as it is. By 3, 5 is not there in the table of 3, so as it is, 3 1s are 3. Now by 5, 5 1s are 5. So this way we will find the LCM. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 5s are 120. So 120 is the first common multiple. There are two methods to find out the required number, as we have done in last question. You will multiply this by 2, 3, 4, 5 and this way you will get. Or how we can do? Greatest 3-digit number is 999. So what we require, the 3-digit number, greatest one, that must be the multiple of this. Multiple of this means that will be divisible by this 120. So let's check 999 is divisible or not. 120. Now 12 8s are 96. So 120 8s are 960. So as you can see, we are having remainder here. But if we want the greatest 3-digit number, that should be the exact divisible number by this. So how we can find it now? So the required number is, greatest 3-digit number is 999 and that is 39 more. So what we will do? We will subtract 39 and it will become 960, and 960 is the exact 960 is the number which is exactly divisible by 120. If you want, you can check 960 and 120. 128 are 960. See, no remainder is there. So it is the exact multiple. 960 is the exact multiple of 120. So 960 is the greatest 3-digit number which we require. Now let's move to the next question. So question number 6 is, the traffic lights at 3 different roads crossing change after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds respectively. If they change simultaneously at 7 a.m. means, suppose the first time they have changed at 7 a.m. at what time will they change simultaneously again? So what we will find out in this, we have to find out the smallest time gap after which they change again. So smallest time gap or least time gap means we have to find the LCM. So let's find out the LCM of 48, 72 and 108. First of all, they are divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Again by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. Again by 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 9s are 18, 27 as it is. Now by again 2, 2 3s are 6, 9 and 27 as it is. Then by 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 9s are 27. Again by 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Again by 3, 3 1s are 3. So this way we have done LCM. Now what is the LCM? The LCM is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. So when we do the multiplication of all these numbers, prime factors, will get 432 after multiplication. Now as the time given in seconds, so 432 seconds. Now we have to change it, as we are having 7 a.m. so we have to tell the exact time. So in 1 minute we have 60 seconds. So we'll change this 432. So 432 divided by 60. Then what we will get? 67s are 420. So what is left? 12. Means 7 minutes and after 7 minutes and 12 seconds they will again change. So as the morning time is 7 a.m. so it will change after 7 minutes and 12 seconds in the morning. That's it for this video. Thank you and have a nice day.